What's up, guys? Your boy Koya Blue here. This guy's cheesy. Yeah, thanks guys a lot for your 2 hundo. Really appreciate it. You guys are the best, the car fleeters. So today I'm doing Fender flares. I decided to get some because I was like, dude, I'm recording my video, leave me alone. Okay, so I decided to get some just because like, I think it'd look good and it'd also cover my amazing rust prevent job that you guys saw. So yeah, Fender flares, and I got a new deck. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with, I'm gonna have to put the trim on these guys and the bolts. So we'll start there, and then we'll do this one first. I think Dawson's got a winch or something. Nobody cares about that though. You guys are here to see the Dodge. Okay, so before we can throw these on, we have to do the rivets and the trim liner. So I'm gonna do those real quick. I mean, it's not gonna be real quick because these things are a pain. I can tell already. I just got it taped on for now. That's how it looks with that bead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rivets. All right, so I got the liner and those bolts on. Really easy. Liner's harder, but the bolts are easy. So now I'm gonna try and throw it on the front. I might leave this tape on because that took so long, and if it falls off, I'm probably gonna return the Fender flare set. So I'm gonna do that front one though. Let's get on that, boss. Holy moly, that is lit. I'll go ahead and install this one, guys, because you guys are gonna be watching for 2 hours on one flare. So this guy goes behind the hole. So you put this, one sec, I'm talking to the fans. So this part goes in front, and then the back is like the nut essentially. So you put it through, and then you screw this through it, and then it will be like that, and it'll pinch it together. That's what you guys are gonna do. I'm gonna show you after this one. Okay, that looks so good. I didn't even have to move the Hemi badge. So good. That looks sick. I actually honestly think I like them more than I thought I would. But like tire on the front still sticks out a bit. I'm gonna have to deal with this. Stick that somehow. But that looks so much more aggressive. So I gotta do the back. Right, this back might be worse because there's no, it's a bit rusty back there. Haha. Yeah, so there's one. I'm ending the Knox game now without Dawson. But we got one Fender flare on the back because they actually have to go on a certain side. So user beware. You have to make sure you got the right rear on as well. So we got it all ready to go, and it actually had to go on this side. So yeah, there's no front on yet. But it looks really good. You guys will see at the end of this video. But here's the front one again. So good. Yeah. But I gotta park it here, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, next morning, let's get at it. Gotta move this rig out of the way and pull this guy onto the driveway, and then we'll hopefully finish the flares. So here's a look at that rear one I did yesterday. Looks mint. So yeah, like I was saying, make sure you watch, because if it doesn't fit properly, it's on the wrong side. They should fit pretty easy. Yeah, love the way it looks. I'm gonna have to do some tweaking. This stuff is really annoying. Freaking liner, man, it drives me crazy. But Yeah, really easy to install. I'm gonna show you guys how to install one. I was supposed to be filming, but my phone didn't film. So I'm gonna show you this side, maybe this rear one. But yeah, they look good. Like, look how aggressive that looks now. It just ties in a little bit more. Like, I don't know, I like them. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. They're the really basic ones, you see them on every Dodge. Usually I like to get parts that you don't see as often, but like you don't really have much of a choice. Like, you either get those Baja ones, that like the pre-runners, but like I don't have a lift, so I feel like it'd look weird. Anyways, let's continue. Let's do that. I kind of want to do the front one here. Let's do this front one. No, wait, this guy. Now, I don't have any bolts in this one, but as you can see, I do have a bolt end there, so I can screw in one of these screws that came with it. There you go. So that comes with it. That's what you want to use. And then it comes with these too. So if you don't have these, there's not that many. So like, this is my last one. I still have a whole fender to put on. So I hope I can figure it out. Hope I don't have to use that one. Because I got existing ones, like we got one there, we got one not there, maybe there, but we got one down there, we got one there, so let's hope we can make the best of it. There you go. Ooh. It's a good fit. I was trolling you guys, see that? I was really like, yo, why isn't this fitting? And then you tighten it and it fits. There it is, guys. So this one's actually really good. Really tight fit. Snug as a bug in there under your rug. Let's push this all back. Bottom, even put that zap through. There, you can see it. Zapped it through there. Looks really good. So this is one side done. Beauty. All right, guys, it's all done. All the flares are on. It's a time-consuming one. Easy, but time-consuming. If you don't have rust on your arches, take way less time. Facts. So I freaking scuffed it. You see that? Because I was putting on the lining and it was dragging on the ground. So that one's a little scuffed, like not too much, not of a big deal. But I love it. This thing is looking freaking crazy. From since I got it to now, looks like a whole different truck. So now we're moving on to the deck inside. First thing you want to do, 2 bolts up there, 2 Torx. I have to bust out a T20 Torx on it. I'll bust this guy out. Right, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure, what I know. So the 2 Torx out. Then it does take a lot of pressure. You just want to grab it and like give it a quick rip and you'll feel it pop out. All these have to pop out. You'll pop them out one by one, kind of. Now you can remove this. I'm just gonna leave it hang there. I think that's okay. That's a lot of room. So 4 7s, then pull it out. It'll drop a little bit. So you gotta unplug this. There's a tab, click that, click that, click that. And I'm putting a single din in. So I test fit my harness here. Fits minty, so I'm gonna go wire it to the other deck that I got. It's just color matching, so match all the colors to the other wiring harness and then just send her back in. Be minty. Dawson showed up. Actually, was kind of smart for once. So now when you guys install the deck, we were getting rattled, so we didn't film anything. But The wiring is all easy, it's all normal, yellow to yellow, black to black, all that, speakers to speakers. But the red wire is actually important. So the red wire, you have to run it to something that turns on when the truck turns on. So we tested it on this, but this always has power. So when we turn the truck off, the deck would stay on. So then we're like, okay, we gotta find something that would work properly. So we put it to this guy. And that's where it is, and it works mint. So we ran that red wire back to the behind this guy, spliced in, and now it has power when the truck's on. It shuts off when the truck's off. So yeah, she's minty. Works good. It's easy if we knew that. Yeah. But we didn't know that, and we're like, why isn't it working? And then I looked up something and said you have to run the red to like something that has power. So I don't know if a lot of people know that.
It's just like a Dodge thing, it said?
Yeah, it's like Dodge, a Jeep Chrysler. Stupid thing. Chrysler. So we got, I'll link everything I used because it's important. You got all that stuff. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for 200 subscribers.
Once again, keep subscribing.
Yeah, you guys smash that sub. Thanks so much. And we'll see you guys in the next banger, of course. Peace out.
Peace.